This episode is brought to you by twolinedmusichutstore.com. Twolinedmusichutstore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's twolinedmusichutstore.com. Now let's check out this episode. With the shot now, because, okay, you guys are running the place, you and Scare them linked up and doing everything after the fact. But there was two situations that came up with Monster Shock. One with Bounty and one with Kiprich. Which situation happened first, Kiprich or Bounty?
Situation with Bounty client him first. The thing that certain things sometimes not even we should talking about because there's so much things we have to get in and so much thinking. You know what I'm saying? Because it starts from as I'm telling Monster Shock and Scare them his family.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? It started from Elephant Man.
Mm-hmm.
Where Elephant always sing the dance song, man. You know what I'm saying? So, me and Ghost around it. Me around it about talking him to the world. To the world.
Mm-hmm.
Get me? To the world I want to talk with everybody I said, yo, to the world. You know what I'm saying? We're going to the world. You know what I'm saying? So every song man like everybody like. So we decided we do a song, you know what I'm saying, with that topic to the world. But at the time, Elephant, they hear the topic around the whole place. And decided to do a song too. And him to say, do a to the world dance song. To the world, and them, you know, like something like that. But before that, we do our to the world. You know what I'm saying? But don't forget, I'm an Elephant parent. You know what I'm saying? When we do the song, Elephant is song. Elephant song and play and Elephant go dance and money pull up him song and everything there. And Elephant said to me, "General B, only to the world, but you know, because I don't forget say, and me and him are spar night time. So we are reason, I say, so when I go dance and when the song I play, be money pull up, I go pull up on it. You know what I'm saying? I say, I'm like the energy there. Because I'm saying, so we need the strength. Anyway, I tell Ron and I'm saying, Ron, you know, say, Elephant say, so when time we there to dance, man, I was song I play. In my start, we are strength point. Ron goes like, General B, I feel not take that, you know. You know what I'm saying? Because over to the world song, one. Anyway, we are play at the mind. The one day, one day, about a dance keeper uptown Monday. We there at the party, and we there at the party, we wanted to hold the mic, and so we wanted to start talk on the mic and say some things that it kind of hurt Elephant. You get me? And the hurt Elephant. Elephant never makes it around it now. Elephant makes it me, the man went spar with. Because him say, a General B are the aggressor, and me tell around it to say that. You know what I'm saying? And that wasn't the case. You know what I'm saying? So, anyway, we decided say, if him stop worrying me as my friend, he should deal with things on a more mature level. So we go write a song and say, after we said to the world, if them want take now, all my good friend want to disrespect now, try for this, the intellect we have it now, look on the big excitement we make now, anything or anything. So the thing said no, watching me put on my big monster crap now, step on the elephant, step on the animal like an insect now, they can't stop the shine man forget now. You ain't going nowhere, tell them monster hot and bad. How we cannot be stopped now? Cause we're men stuck for life. You ain't. I mean, I tell you, the song is not a disrespectful song. The song was a song where I said, my Lord, if I acknowledge. You know, I said, man, say, shock, you know, because I before me, you know. Anyway, Elephant man malice me and not talk to me. I mean, I said, I look picture something like that, Elephant really malice, but the malice I never really did something serious. And then be my friend from Florida and see me in the club and see her and go up and talk to her. And I said, oh yeah. I said, no, me and General B, no, I'm nothing. So me and him start talk and make it up back right there. So I said, General B, me come to the company and why you come with me now. But he must and tell our friend, you know what I'm saying? Tell us the Elephant not talk to me now. Before that, you know, me say toddler, I say toddler. Don't make the separation there with me and Elephant. You know what I'm saying? You make it affect my relationship, you know. You imagine I be a man, anyway, I say toddler and toddler walk past me and they heal me. I mean, I said, but I don't understand this. I'm telling her not have nothing, I'm telling her not talk to me. Elephant see me and make it up back. And nothing knows me an elephant get my butt. So when I look, and I'm kind of feel a way about the whole thing. They know the whole of them aspire, scare them, and born to kill everybody, which is a general being the whole of them aspire. This me, I just know say, yo, me and man just suck and I just do my thing. While that, I'm just saying, it's like, no, my enemy. So I do a next song now. Because the man killer them up, or I say, look, incident go on with the man killer, and I say, killer, some high thing go on, and you know what I say, maybe we should talk and get in a certain thing. That's how I do a song, say, the way me clean every day, the girls them call me muggler. Now part with fist, so me don't need no goggle. And no boy can't you come me. I like a retarded like your man, me would have to come like Marvin. You know, say, the whole scare them now. You hear the song, say, the way me clean every day, the girls them call me muggler. Now part with fist, so me don't need no goggle. And no boy can't juke out me. No boy can't juke out me. I like a retarded. Because them say a bounty killer. And I retarded in a look. Confrontation. So me and man knows me I heard Bounty Killer another song, you know. Because most of the song say and this time, you know, I tell I feel like him being disrespectful to me. You know what I'm saying? But doesn't sing. Killer, that's my friend, you understand what I say? Who general be a boy. You know what I'm saying? But so me I aware me I say no, oh the part of African car. But me could not think to do this song I say. The gentleman or you know what I say, I make it sound this with you know reggae patois, you know what I say? Some just decide to just do it the part of it. Killer say listen to me no man. I respect him. Some decide to not apologize to killer. But as a killer trust me, you know what I'm saying, if it appear to that kind of way, I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I say that never intentional. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna check killer let's say my father. And the Sharonburg place, and kill it, and move on. I said, man, if you see my face with him, same time, I said, Dynamite. And Dynamite, I said, General B. And I think Killer want to see him because he get me bring up the thing and I said, General Star. And then I said, for real? So the next 2 days after that, now, Bounty Killer do a song where my diss up man say shot. Like I said, but man say Empire. I quite remember the song, you know what I'm saying? We must have favorite Jews and them up there. I mean, I said, no, that's undisrespectful because we both before going to play and music business. Man, the shark crew, double up on the scene before killer. Every man, the man, the shark crew. So, no point like a disrespect. And so, I do a song now. And that song I say, and go sing the chorus and say, both say them a bad man, but them a bad man view. And that's what me come in and say, I put out the blood clot bounty. If I'm angel fuck pan him turn in a junkie. This is my pumpy. You take man for punky. Oh man no better than your shoes. You know better than me pumpy. They're running. When God tells him up your head with the chicken, ask you you call. And I saw this big thing come out tight and killer goes and answer back again. Then you know say we answer back. And at the time, it was a crate because at the time killer they give around some rings. You know what I'm saying? Running the killer come and say want to back. I remember for the fans them say it whosoever, but you get me. But you know, my next say everybody I say, oh killer, can I get the money rims man? I want but the rims them and give them the rims and you know so we end up and do a song where I say and next song I say, you name me say take it back you look dirty rich, boy you want but the rims that no earth we yet, we must breadfruit pan it and cook turkey neck. When me check back I say him take back the van from Angel and I blame me for flirtiness. Me no let hard but me merciless. Bounty Killer tell your mother pastor him have to church your next have lay be a bullet, put my bullet there, reverse your face. You know but like the dirty crap. And you know and you know what thing is going on lyrics. I know the people might feel it and then you have this big thing in England all about the world have the song them compete with them and you know what I'm saying? And then no it's a whole heap of thing. Cause some of the selectors are afraid of killer. They're going to play killer songs. Some of them go out, you know what I'm saying, and be this kind of arrogant person and listen, you know. And for some of them understand how the song start, you know. I get the play where it's supposed to get and till after a time this youth and them keep rich now. Cause all over me and killer them I go through and me and elephant them I go through. Me and them a family. I always have that. We have an artist named Kid, I'm not really know because we have ourselves as family, like one place where we come from. They have an artist named Kid Rich now, just come and say, oh, Bounty Killer my father and friend of my wife, Bounty Killer my this, I made them at this. You know what I'm saying to me? I say, what are you to just come from and it's like, for instance, it's a war. You just come in at the war with war and concern. So I just him come in and do a song for TJ, a bunch of kill me that, something like, you know, a bunch of kill me daddy and something like that, you know what I'm saying? And I disrespect we in the song now. You know what I'm saying? Till him start, I said, beg, and I said, run it, beg, and something I said, I'm a disrespect with, till him all call all, run it all, man, that's like this, I said, no. They'll take it too far.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.